Attention, this is where the money is made. Both tone knobs facing me, over here is my left, they're facing us. This is the bottom of the pick guard. If it was a Fender pick guard, either way, that still applies. On this right hand, or the one facing here to our right, is where the capacitor goes. It's temporarily hooked up here with a little tape. To the back, to this terminal, if it's facing you this way, the far this way terminal to the back of the pot. From the center of tone knob 1, center terminal goes to the capacitor terminal. Then from the capacitor terminal, it's already hooked up, goes to the back of this. That hooks the capacitor up to 2 tone knobs. Center, capacitor to the right. This left terminal goes to switch position 1. Our blue first wire we discussed. I do all tone wires in blue. This center terminal on tone knob 2 goes to switch position 2. So there it is. 1 and 2. 2. 1 would go to, from, I have to see it, hold on, the left one. But on tone knob 2, it goes there from the center one. This leaves, this one is blank. Almost always this one is blank unless it's getting a capacitor. In this case, it's sharing one from the center. Center, capacitor. Left, terminal 1. Center, terminal 2. Left, terminal 1. Tone knob 1, tone knob 2. I hope that makes sense. I can even show you the connection here with a little piece of wire. Center to the terminal that goes on capacitor. Center to terminal that goes on capacitor. Left goes to position 1. Center goes to position 2.